Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about the third lesson of our BCom second year textbook, that is Go is the World, that is written by Subrutu Bagchi. Subrutu Bagchi is very renowned business speaker. He is one of the best seller book writer for the business and one of the inspireful book writer. So, in his childhood, he suffered a lot due to his father's duty, government job. So he commute from one place to another. But he learned those principles, those moral values from his parents. And this lesson is one of the best lecture which is taken by or which is delivered by Subrutu Bagchi in at IIM, Indian Institute of Management at Bangalore, where he shared his view to all students about how he grew up and how he earned so many things, learned so many things from his parents. So this lesson is one of the best lesson of Subrutu Bagchi. Go Kiss the World. Here in this lesson, we are going to learn about how he learned those moral values, those things from his parents. His parents, his father was one district employer officer, district employer officer, where near Koraput district, near Koraput district, and there in Orissa, and that Orissa, the state before the 30 years ago, before 40 years ago, that condition of the Orissa was quite very backward. There was no electricity where that Subruto was living with his parents. So there was no electricity. There was no water flow running from the tap, and it means there were no basic facilities where that Subruto was living with his father and mother. But although he earned lot of things, he learned lot of things from his parents, and as well as within that village, within that Koraput, there was no primary education. He learned those primary details, those are the primary things from his parents, because that high school education was there but not primary education. And so therefore he is describing his childhood, and he is telling in this way that every year his father's duty transfer from every year, every per year he commute from one place to another for his job. So therefore all that five siblings, they have to go from one place to another, and they carry only such a luggage. They can pick up that luggage backside of that jeep, government jeep, and they can transfer from one place to another. It means there were very uh, such a simple, very common life of Subruto Bagchi's parents. they were living with very less equipments, things, utensil, and they were commuting, transferring from one place to another for every year. So, as per the education of Subrata, here in this lesson, he is giving example of about his mother also. His mother, she is a refugee from that when that there is a clashes between East Bengal and West Bengal, and that uh, West Bengal, those are the refugee comes in India. So Subrata Banerjee's father married with one widow woman, and at that time she was matriculate, but he married. That Subrata's father married with one widow woman, but she is also very attentive, or she is also very simple, but very we can say one type of inspireful mother. So she uh, taught her children that how to live very good life, because she is always ready to pack up all the luggage and go with her family, and she has given a lot of lesson to her children. One good example is also given here, that government jeep is uh, for that in the service of Subrata's father, but according to him, that this jeep is not mine. This is a government jeep, and so therefore I will not use this car, this jeep. Actual in that particular that employment office, there was no particular typical garage, specific garage for that jeep, and Subrata's father, he has to park that jeep in that quarter, government quarter, where Subrata and his father, they were living. But although his father commute or go, he went for office by foot. He was not using that car, that jeep, because according to him, this jeep belongs to government, not belongs to him, and there is no permission to the children also to use that jeep, because this is government jeep. Whenever they transfer from one place to another, at that time, the family use that jeep, and whenever there is any interior that local survey or interior tour, at that time only his father used that jeep. And there is also one good example is also given by the Subrata Banerjee about how they live their life, how they learn manners to speak the inferior people, because those are the jeep driver. So there was a lesson that all children, they have to refer him or use suffix as a that Dada, Ramu Dada, Raju Dada, as like, or give the respect in private time also, or as a whenever in public also, private or public, they have to give the respect to that common driver. It means such a simple lesson learned by Subrata and his brothers. But this simple lesson, which is learned by the Subrata, so therefore his daughter, they also used to refer his driver with respect, and all her classmates, Miss Subrata's daughter's classmates, they wonder or they think something different. So this is the one type of speciality of this